to my kitchen. It's me, Risa. Thank you for subscribing. Please ring the bell option so you'll get all my newest videos by email, okay? And of course, share with other people so they can see what I'm doing on my journey and hopefully help them on their journey and yours, of course. People ask me what I have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I'm just going to show you some sample things that I made this week, and I hope it'll help you as well. Okay, let's start off with breakfast. I made these amazing pancakes. I like to make lots, so then I have extra, of course, for a few days. They're my new lemon pancakes, and I have other different pancake recipes, and you can just simply heat them up in the toaster or microwave. Super delicious. Have them just on its own or with some fruit, and you could add some syrup or Cool Whip or just eat at it as is. I love cereal. I keep different types. These cereals, the checks for 1 cup is 3 smart points or a half for 1 smart points, and really low in sugar, only 2 grams of sugar. And this K's protein cereal comes in 3 different flavors. I get it at the low carb grocery store. Also the same amount of points on smart points, only 3 grams of sugar, and really delicious. I like to have fruit with it. I add it to my yogurt, so I'll have yogurt as well with some fruit. And I love this new oatmeal that I found, this porridge oats and healthy grains. I got it at Walmart, and it has large oat flakes, oat bran, wheat bran, and flaxseed. I know, and really, really easy to make. So those are some of my breakfast options. Sometimes I have eggs or omelets. For lunches, I made some turkey meat that I was using for my new mini pizzas. So again, make lots of extras so that you have, and I put in a half a cup with lots of different seasonings. You can check out my crack slaw recipe. And I made a stir fry. You can check out my stir fry recipes. And I have some Mama Lupa tortillas, 1 smart point each. And that's a nice filling lunch option. Of course, for snacks, I have different fruits. I have more fruits at school, and lemon for my lemon water. It's a great detox and tastes really good as well, of course. For dinner, I have trout or salmon, and I'll usually have it with a small potato, sweet potato, or regular potato. Sometimes I make rice. I might make some pasta. I have different kinds of pasta. I love this Fiber Gourmet pasta because for 1 cup is only 3 smart points. So you get a lot and you don't have to count a lot of points, which I like. And of course, I made a lot of steamed vegetables, some asparagus, and some broccoli. But sometimes I'll have a stir fry, or I'll not broil, I will bake, or I will roast my vegetables as well, which I love. So this is my breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner options. Of course, I like other snacks like popcorn or my Weight Watcher snacks. Okay, and I hope this helps you guys on your journey so that you make sure that you plan. I have so many recipes out there for breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, snacks, desserts, after workout options. All right, and this is just a sample of what I'm having for the next few days. And then I like to change it up, okay? I do love having leftovers, as you can see. And I think that really helps because then you already know what you're having and it's pre-planned and prepared. You have to grocery shop regularly so that you have fresh produce as well. And I keep these boxes at work as well. And oatmeal. I have Quaker oatmeal as well, like just individual packages, because variety is the spice of life. So having different things is great too. So please continue to subscribe, check out my videos, and bon appetit, enjoy. And I hope, again, this was helpful for you guys. Take care. Love you guys. Bye for now.